What does a tin whistle sound like? Have you ever heard a sound that instantly transports you to the heart of Ireland? That's the magic of the tin whistle. So, what does a tin whistle sound like? This charming instrument produces a clear, bright, and piercing sound that is easily recognized in traditional Irish music. Its tone is sweet and melodic, often described as light and airy, with a slightly reedy quality. When played in the key of D, which is the most common tuning for Irish music, the whistle's sound carries beautifully. You can hear it in lively dance tunes that make you want to tap your feet, as well as in slow, expressive airs that tug at your heartstrings. The simple design of the tin whistle contributes to its unique sound. It features a 6-holed cylindrical body with a fipple mouthpiece. When the player blows air into the mouthpiece, it creates a vibration that produces music. By covering and uncovering the finger holes, musicians can change the pitch, allowing for a wide range of notes. This technique also enables players to create sounds that can be both joyful and lively or haunting and melancholic, depending on how they choose to play. There are variations of the tin whistle that offer different sound qualities. The low whistle, for instance, is larger and tuned lower, producing a more mellow and softer tone. This version is often used for slower, more reflective pieces. In contrast, the traditional tin whistle, typically made from tin or nickel-plated brass, has a brighter and more penetrating sound. When you travel in Ireland, you will often hear the tin whistle in traditional music sessions at pubs, festivals, and street performances. Its sound is woven into the cultural fabric of Ireland, evoking images of lively gatherings and heartfelt storytelling through music. The whistle's portability and approachable sound make it a favorite among both beginners and seasoned musicians. In essence, the tin whistle sounds bright, clear, and melodic, with a distinctive airy tone. It can express a wide range of emotions, from joyful dance tunes to soulful ballads. This makes it a defining voice of Irish musical tradition, capturing the spirit of Irish culture in every note.